Welcome back to Ben Films. Today I'm going to be making the Arc Reactor from Iron Man. I was working on my Iron Spider costume for Halloween, and I was making the eyes light up, and for that I used this stuff. I'm not really sure what it's for, but I found this at the dollar store, but I'm not really sure what it's for. Maybe it's for like Christmas decorations or something, but it's some sort of tubing that lights up. So I thought it would work really well for an arc reactor. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got this glued all the way around, so now I'm gonna try and take it off. Alright, so now I've got this little ring of light here. I think it looks pretty good. Next, I'm gonna need one of these lights, because this just lights up. This is just the ring, and then this light will go behind it. But the light is very bright, so we need to diffuse it. So I've got a few pieces of plastic cut out from a milk jug, and I'm going to color them. I'm going to color one of them blue because it has a bit of, it's just has a slight blue color, and then because this marker doesn't actually stick to the plastic, I'll put some tape over it. So that didn't work very well. This blue wasn't quite the right color, and it just didn't work very well. So I actually found out that light actually passes through duct tape, which is surprising. So I just covered this piece in some duct tape, but make sure not to fold it over onto the other side. Just cut off the excess duct tape. So if the light shines through the duct tape piece, and then you put the other pieces on top, I think that looks pretty good. So yeah. finished this piece, and I think it looks pretty cool, so now it's time to paint it black. Alright, so remember that piece that to diffuse the light? That wasn't working that well, so I took another milk jug and cut out 3 more pieces and I glued them together. And then I took the other piece and just glued it onto the light here. And then just put that in front of it like that. There. The problem with this other one was that it wasn't quite the right size. It just fit this piece here, but it needs to be a bigger size, but I can still use it here. Just put this over it. So, yeah. I've got this piece, and I actually don't need this top part here because it's too big. So you can see that I glued this piece in here, so now I'm just going to cut this top part off. Alright, so I painted this silver. I think it looks pretty good. I didn't like completely paint it, like, I'm not exactly sure how to explain it, but you can see there's a bit of the base coat, which was black, kind of showing through, so yeah. And then just the inside is black. So I'm gonna glue the light onto here, and then glue this on top. Now, this light actually has like a thing here that you could peel off and attach it to something, but I don't think that's quite gonna work because there's a hole in the back here, so I don't know, I'll peel this off, stick it on, and also use some hot glue. So, yeah. Alright, so what you just saw was filmed about 2 or 3 months ago. I was having lots of technical difficulties with this video, and I still am, so I was only able to do that much. Hopefully, part 2 will be out soon, and yeah. But for now, if you like the video, you can press the like button, you can press the subscribe button, press the little bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and if right here, you can click right here for my latest video, and you can click right here for whatever YouTube thinks you should be watching next. And to subscribe, press right there. And I'll see you next time.